What's up, my bomb and subscriber squad? Hey. What's happening, loves? Welcome. I am TonyaNicole, and you have entered the TonyaNicole Experience. Boo. Today on the platter, we have Ipsy Glam Bag Plus and Ipsy Glam Bag. So if you guys are interested in seeing that, babe, don't move. Stay right there. Girl, and make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. All right, guys, so today we're going to be doing my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus and Glam Bag. Before I do that, I want to shout out my 5 first commenters from my last video. Thank you, dolls, so much for rocking with you, girl. Y'all know I appreciate you guys. I have a little Moscato right here. So we're going to take a dance break, a drink break. Ooh. All right, I do have a video, Seductive Pleasure, that was up, I think, Saturday. One of them days, but there's a giveaway in that video, guys. So go check it out. Enter to get the giveaway prize, which is something very naughty, of course. There's a little bug in here. All right, this is not going to be a long video. We're going to get right into the specs and we're going to unbox this baby. So this is the Ipsy Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus. This is the one that I do get in PR. We're going to start with the Glam Bag first and then move into the Plus. So let's open it up. That's what it's looking like. I know this is very late in the month for me, but y'all, I have just been getting my packages very, very late, and it's very irritating. But nonetheless, it's here, so let's go, baby. Let's get this box on and popping, boo. A dance break. All right, as you guys know, they send them over kind of all thrown into, you know, this bag and the box. So I don't really know what's the Glam Bag items or the Glam Bag Plus, but we will try to figure it out. Did they send me a card? Let me see. Oh, we do get a card. This is the card right here, and it says, give the gift of Ipsy. The theme for this month is Royal Treatment. And I did unbox my Huda and Ipsy unboxing. I did that, I don't know when, earlier in the week, girl. But go ahead on over there and check it out. I was not too happy with it, but y'all know how it goes. All right, so this is the Glam Bag for this month. This one is $13 a month. You're going to get 5 deluxe sample size products with the occasional full size product in this bag. You're supposed to have a value of at least $50. So let's move quickly through these. First up we have, and it is this Camellia and Strobe Luminizing Primer. Right there, you get 15 milliliters of product. Since these have gone out already, guys, these PR unboxings, I'm gonna move very quick through them. This is sealed up, but this is our first product. The second one is from Sugar Rush, which is the sister company of Tarte, and this is the Cake Butter Whipped Body Butter. So I do love this. Butter up, babe. Apply a small scoop to freshly cleansed skin, showing a little extra love to dry spots with your legs and elbows. It is sealed. I will not open it, but y'all know I do love having little lotions like this by my table. Y'all, if y'all see me looking sweaty, oh, it's because I am. Oh, and before I forget, I do have some stuff on the way from Sephora and Ulta. I'm waiting for everything to come in so I can do an unboxing for you guys, and we're gonna be doing some makeup, baby. I'm very excited about that. Next product is from Danessa Myricks, and this is the Vision Flush Lip, Cheek, and Eye Color. Right there. I love the packaging. 6 ounces. We have the shade Tiara. Let's see what Tiara look like. Let's open it up. Oh, this is nice. Look at that. Beautiful packaging. Beautiful color. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Look at that, guys. That is absolutely gorgeous. I'm just going to put a little bit on the back of my hand, and a little is a lot. That's beautiful. It's like a gold color. Oh, I love that. I can use that right like in the inner corner of my eyes. All right, I do like this one. We have from Briogeo the Don't Despair Repair Deep Hair Conditioning Mask. Right here, you get 30 milliliters of product. I do like this brand. I actually tried it. I got like another hair mask from this company. I used it on my natural hair, and I actually really liked it. It has a safety seal, so I won't open it, but I am happy to try this out. And then we have from Sophie and Maybelle right here. I think this is just like a lip gloss or something. Let's open it and see. Ooh, it smells like cake. Look at that. I'll put it on the back of my hand. Oh yeah, so it's just like a clear little lip gloss. All right, this is really cute. Nice little size. I like this. And then our final product is from Il Makiage. I actually think that this one belongs in the plus. This is the lipstick Dirty Talk Bella. And if you've seen my Huda Beauty unboxing, y'all know already, this is a good old hooker red. That's the packaging right there. And, ooh, look at that color. Oh, check out my Ipsy and Huda unboxing to see the shade. I will be putting this one into my Seductive Pleasure giveaway. So a good old hooker red with a good old toy, baby. So recapping the Glam Bag, we have this little lip gloss here. We have a hair mask, a body butter, this Il Makiage lipstick, this illuminizing primer, and this highlighter cheek blush eye thing. These 6 products, my loves, and let's move on to the Glam Bag Plus. So before we move into the plus, they did send over some refreshments. This is their Ipsy line refreshments. This is the Pillowy Shave Cream. I have this, love this, live by this. You can actually purchase this on Ipsy's site, guys. 4.5 fluid ounces. I love this shaving cream. Love it. Then they gave us a Oh My Moisture shampoo. Now, I haven't tried this before, but it is, look at that, it's huge. 8 ounces of product in here. And yeah, it's to leave your hair silky, soft, and shiny, hydrate your hair, protect it against humidity. And then we also have these erasers right here. It's a dazzling flat 5-blade razor kit. And that's what it looks like right there. This is the razor. These are the blades. Alrighty, I'm glad to get this. I love their shaving cream. Love the razors. Perfect. All right, love, so now for the Glam Bag Plus. Here is the bag for the month. I actually really like this one. Nice, deep, like navy blue color. Love it. Let's jump right on in. First product up is from Glossier. Ooh, and this is the Milky Jelly Cleanser Conditioning Face Wash. 15 milliliters of product. I'm sure this was probably a Glam Bag item. This looks like a small size. Oh yeah, I think this goes in the Glam Bag. All right, so this is a Milky Jelly Cleanser. It's a face wash. Oh, it's not sealed, but it does have a nice fresh scent. All right, I'll use that. Then we have, oh my goodness, from Thrive Cosmetics. Oh, I love their mascaras. And this is the Liquid Lash Extension Mascara. I'm telling you guys, this right here, amazing. We have the shade Rich Black. Oh, let me open it. Y'all look. This is one of my favorite mascaras. This one and the It Cosmetics Superhero. Girl, look at the packaging. And let me show y'all the wand. Absolutely breathtaking. Look at that, girl. You trying to get like a good old lash. Look at that. Oh, I love this thing. Very happy to see this. Very, very, very happy. Okay. All right. Then we have from Yensa, and this is the Pumpkin Turmeric 2-in-1 Radiance Polishing Mask with 8 superfoods. We did receive this in a BoxyCharm. I will be putting this into my box of goodies for our giveaway that's going to be happening later on in the month. But it has 8 superfoods in it. It's a nice, you know, mask for your face. Yensa is a very good brand, but I will be giving it to one of you guys. And then last but not least, we have from BFF, Best Face Forward, right there. And this is a balancing serum, AHA, BHA, HA, and niacinamide. It's an all-free hydration that helps to build all production and prevent future breakouts. So let's see. Oh, okay. There's the bottle. Gorgeous, isn't it? Yeah. You get 30 milliliters of product in here. It does come with like this little dropper. So, all right. I'll check this out. I'll try this brand. All right. So that was our final product. I'm gonna quickly show you guys what we got in the Glam Bag Plus, and then we're gonna do final thoughts. So these are the ones that we got in the Glam Bag Plus. I'm sure that this lipstick goes in there too, and I'm not sure of what else because everything is just like so thrown together, but I'm appreciative nonetheless. Let's do some final thoughts. So my final thoughts on this Ipsy Glam Bag. I thought it was a nice variety of makeup as well as skincare. They even gave us a little hair care in there. I'm not mad about the $13 bag. The only thing I'm disappointed with the plus is this. Like, we just received this in BoxyCharm, so, you know, I think that they're, you know, kind of running out of product to give, so they're kind of like doing repeats. Either BoxyCharm will give it to us and then Ipsy, or vice versa. But overall, I thought for the Glam Bag and the plus, it was pretty decent. I actually like the Glam. No, I think overall they were both equally good, minus this Yensa product. Well, this is a good product too though, but I don't like to see repeats. But that's my thoughts, guys. I do appreciate Ipsy for sending this over to me for my review. I greatly appreciate it always. I want to thank you guys for watching, and make sure if you haven't done so, you subscribe to my channel. I have a giveaway going on in my Seductive Pleasure unboxing, and also I will be having a giveaway video coming really soon to give all this stuff on the floor right here away. Happy Thanksgiving, my loves. Yes, I hope you guys are enjoying your meal. And well, it's not Thanksgiving yet, but this is gonna go out before Thanksgiving. All right, happy Thanksgiving. All right, loves, make sure you give this video a thumbs up if this is the kind of content you enjoy. Follow me on all of my social media. It'll be down below. Ipsy's link will be down below. And that's all I have. I will talk to you guys in the comments and on my next video. Cheers, my love. Have a great day. Bye.